A question which patients usually ask me is that when you operate laparoscopically a very huge fibroid, how are you going to retrieve the specimen, or how are you going to take this huge fibroid out of the abdomen? So my answer to them is that the size of the fibroid is never a contraindication to the surgery. We have operated fibroids ranging from maybe as small as 2 to 3 centimeters to as big as 15 to 16 centimeters. So the size of fibroid never proves a contraindication or an obstacle for surgery. Once the fibroid is separated from the uterus, there are various methods through which you can take the fibroid out of the abdomen. If the fibroid is very small, you can either take out the fibroid by widening one of the incisions used to insert the port. So the port incision, which was 0.5 centimeter, can be made up to 1.5 or 2 centimeters, and the fibroid can be easily taken out through this incision. Or else you can make an incision in the pouch of Douglas, the space behind the uterus, and retrieve the fibroid through the vagina itself, and then you can close the space. If not this, then you can just widen the incision of one of the port sites and manually core the fibroid using certain instruments and a knife. So you can retrieve the fibroid as a string form by coring it. Other than that, you can use a morcellating machine to take the fibroid out of the abdomen. What happens is the size of the fibroid, whatever be it, the morcellating machine morcellates the fibroid and converts it into a long string so that it comes out through the port site. Earlier, morcellation was being done without a bag, endo bag, but certain complications such as secondary cancers of the abdomen have been noticed. So here arises the question whether every fibroid has a malignant potential, or in other words, can every fibroid lead to cancer? The answer is no, but there is still a certain small possibility of around 0.1% that a fibroid can have a malignant or a cancer focus in it. So you have to be careful with every fibroid, assuming that any fibroid can have a malignant potential. So the new modality is to have a in-bag morcellation using an endo bag. So what you usually do is you separate the fibroid from the uterus, put it in an endo bag, and then do the morcellation inside it so that you restrict the spread of the pieces of fibroid during morcellation. If nothing works, if none of these methods work, you can always go for a mini laparotomy incision. So how is it different from an open surgery? In an open surgery, you usually give an incision of around 8 to 10 centimeters for a fibroid surgery. But in a mini laparotomy incision, you just give an incision of around maybe 2.5 to 4 centimeters, and through that you can either manually core the fibroid and retrieve the specimen out of it. So to conclude, the size of a fibroid never proves an contraindication or an obstacle to surgery. Or you can complete the surgery and then suture the rent and use one of these methods or in combination to retrieve the specimen from the abdomen.